Welcome to Gendie, your ultimate tool for mastering noun genders in gendered languages. Switch languages instantly, each one keeps its own progress, theme, and settings. Start practicing right away. Tap to hear pronunciation, or hold to open Wiktionary. Choose the correct gender, build streaks, and boost your score as you go. Words repeat until you truly learn them. Get it right 3 times and move forward. Reviews return at the perfect time. The better you perform, the longer they stay away. Learn patterns, not just words, through type-based lessons, and master suffixes to predict thousands of words instantly based on their endings. Track your progress, mastery, and streaks, and customize everything from themes to reminders. Gendie works fully offline and lets you export your progress anytime. It's open source with no ads and no tracking. Gendie, noun genders made simple.